Um, I can probably do that one as well. So there's something new in this song. It teaches you something new, but this is still the 6/8. You know what that means, okay? Yeah. So I'm going to have you listen to both, and then we will go backwards. We'll talk about the new things in this lesson. Ready?
Yeah.
So this is the 6/8. Remember the tune? No. Okay. Yeah, let's talk about this one first. Down. Okay, I drew my favorite pizza for Stephanie when I was talking about this. Yeah, let's try to review our time values. So the whole pizza will be a whole note, cut in 4 quarters, each one gets a quarter. So that's a quarter note. So that's why whole note has 4 beats, 4 quarter note. Half note gets 2 beats, 2 quarter note. Got it? All right. You sure? Yeah. And then we start to cut this quarter into half. So it becomes 2/8 note. When you have one flag. And most time you see a line instead of flag. If you have 2 and more in a row, we use a line instead of flag. Are you with me? Yeah. So that's why 2/8 equal to a quarter. Got it? Okay, today we're going to cut this 8 into half. So do you see that there are 2 flags on it? And if you have 2 or more in a row, you're going to see 2 lines. And it's 1/16 of the pizza. Think about it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1/16 of a pizza. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then another 8. Flag fraction. I'm sure you learned that already. Have you? Fractions in math? Yeah. Do you understand? You see? Isn't it 1/8 of a pizza? You can have like 8 of them from the whole pizza, right? But if you cut 8 into half, I'm talking about this little part. That's 1/16 of a pizza. Get it? Sure? Okay, so Tell me how many 16ths are equal to an eighth? 2. It's the same concept. Just keep cutting. Keep cutting smaller and smaller. All right. So bigger the number, the smaller the slice. Okay? So if you look at the left-hand part here, all eighth note. So we're thinking in eighth note. It's like you have a metronome going on. Your left hand is your right hand's metronome. Okay? So we're thinking eighth. That's why I put it in eighth. Got it? Okay. So that one would get 2/8, that one gets 2/8, and that one gets 3/8. Because the dot. And that one gets 1 because they're the same. And what's going on here? Eighth, eighth, eighth. But the third one here, you have 2 16ths match that eighth. So you go. You hear that? First one, second one, third one, of course without stopping. Got it? You understand it, right? Yeah, so this is about the counting. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward and easy. All right? I kind of changed the fingering here. So instead of 2, just use 1, 5. Even though they look the same, but are they really? Yeah, so it changed here. And I want to talk, I think you should be fine with it. I want to talk a little bit about that. 6/8, tell me about 6/8 again.
6 beats in every measure, and 8 notes get 2 beats, 1 beat.
Eighth note gets 1 beat. So the bottom number talk about 1 beat. What kind of note gets 1 beat? Okay. Got it? Yeah, all right. Well, it's good I have all these markings still there, so I was just trying to remind her of holding the long notes. Yeah, I do that with everyone. Okay. Now I want you to try, I want to try a little bit of this part because I have the down up here for the small 2-note slurs. So it goes 1, rest, down, up, rest. Remember, there's no fast notes. Rest, down, up, rest. 2, 3. Try that. Rest, down, up, rest. Rest, down, up, rest. Okay, yeah. All right? You should be fine. Try to find the first chord and second chord, left hand. First 2 chords. Wait. Why did you play that chord? Tell me. There are 2 ways you can figure out this chord. First, you could figure out the bottom note. Because the bottom note, you can still use the sentence. The second way is I'm going to look at the middle note. What is that middle note?
E.
The one in the middle. Why is it E? I think for you it's probably easier to use the sentence to figure out the bottom note. Play the whole sentence and find that bottom note. What sentence do you use?
Great big box.
Play the whole sentence. So that's the bottom note. Which finger should be on the bottom note? It should be the bottom finger. Here you go. Wait. Well, look at the top two notes. Are they neighbors? So they look like this? Look at the top two notes. Do they look like this or this? This or this? What do they look like? Only the top two. Are they? Huh? So they're on top of each other, or they're like this, go next to each other like this?
Go next to each other.
Are they both space notes or line notes, or one line note, one space note?
One line out, one space.
I'm talking about the top two. The top two notes. You said one line, one space. Which one is space? Which one is line? Which one has a line through it? I'm talking about the top two. These two. Which one has a line through it? See, C would have a line through it. Is there a line through either of them? So there's no line note. So they're both space notes. Would that be neighbors? No. Okay, try again. Top notes are not neighbors. Here you go. Okay? Yeah, I'm just teaching you the way to think when it comes to reading. How to think about it. All right? Okay, and then you just go back and forth with this first section. Okay, let's try a little bit here, especially that one. What's that first note?
G.
G what? Go ahead. Okay, what about those two? I see the middle C line, you know, just under those two, which means both are above middle C. And they are neighbors because they're like this. This is what I was talking about. You see this one else? Has a weird look? Yeah. Okay? Yeah. This is the coda. Yes. And this is A, B, and A comes back. That's not C, that's coda. Do we have time? We don't have time. So you could try the coda by yourself, but you don't have to, because you have two songs. You could just end here, and I'll teach you how to play the coda. But it could be a little challenge for reading. And you can listen, you can watch it, because there's a video there. Okay? See if you could figure out. All right?